Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to list products on eBay from CJ Dropshipping. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to need you to go to your computer browser and head on to your eBay website and log into your account. And next is go to the CJ Dropshipping website and log into your account. Now first, all you need to do is to verify your email address on eBay. Now once you have done that, we are now good to go. Now first, we must link our CJ Dropshipping and eBay. To do this is to go to your My CJ right here, and once you have done that, it will automatically lead you to this page. And once you're in this page, just scroll down on the top left corner right here and go to Store Authorization. Now once I have done that, just click on eBay right here. And as you can see, I have already linked my eBay store, so I'm just going to delete this real quick just to let you see how I did that. So once you are in this section, just click on eBay again and click on Add Store. So as you can see right there, my CJ Dropshipping has already been integrated into my eBay account. Now once you have done that, all you have to do is to look for products you want to dropship on eBay. So I'm just gonna search for phones right here. So for example, this one, I want to link this into my eBay store, so just click on Add to Queue right here. And once you have done that, just click on this queue section at the top right hand corner. And next, once you're in the queue list, I'm just going to delete this real quick. And as you can see, this is the product that we just recently added to the queue. So once you have done that, just click on List Now. And as you can see, it will automatically redirect you to this page. Now once you have done that, under Store, just click on the store of eBay that you have. You can also add it to Shopify or any other stores that is integrated in your CJ Dropshipping. So for now, this video is all about eBay, so I'm just going to click on my eBay store right here. And now once you are done, it will say that please make sure the total quantity of products listed does not exceed the listing limit on eBay, as products will be removed once inventory runs out. So as you can see, eBay only has a limited amount of inventory you can sell per month. So if you have a limited amount, just click on Sell right here to see how much limit or how much amount limit you have. So just scroll down real quick, and as you can see right here, I have only 200 items for free every month. So what you want to do is just to subscribe to any eBay store plan, so you can actually create a listing, or you can actually have unlimited listings. So for now, I don't have a store plan, but it's all up to you if you want to have a store plan. So you can actually choose a starter pack, basic, premium, anchor, and enterprise. So once you have done all of this, you can now actually list a lot of products from eBay. So with that being said, once you have done that, you can also go to this how to increase listing quantities on eBay. So just read on this real quick if you want to have a listing. So for now, we have 0 listing left on eBay, so it's the same right here. So once I scroll down, this is where you can actually see your eBay listing monthly limits. So all you have to do is just to subscribe any of these plans, and now if you are subscribed, you can now automatically sell on eBay, and you can automatically integrate. You can actually list this product on CJ Dropshipping to sell on eBay. So I'm just going to leave that information to you, so it's all up to you if you want to subscribe on this. But basically that's it, and this is very proven and tested. If you subscribe to a store plan on eBay, you can actually list a product from CJ Dropshipping or from any other dropshipping websites. So with that being said, if you have any questions, just feel free to comment your questions down below, and I'm gonna try to answer all of them. And with that being said, that's all about this for this video. And if you find this helpful, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!